You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish from Vietnamese. If you want to learn more confusing names from Vietnamese cuisine, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Bun Thit Nuong is the Vietnamese pronunciation. It has vermicelli noodles and meat, grilled pork and rice and veggies. Bun Thit Nuong. In English, therefore, you can say it as Bun Thit Nuong, Bun Thit Nuong. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.